Hey guys, my name is Juliet and I'm a student assistant here in the education department at the Panhandle-Plains Historical Museum. Today we're going to be doing a really fun craft and we're going to be making these fire-breathing dragons. So, in order to do this, you will need 6 pieces of construction paper cut into strips like this, a toilet paper roll, 2 big pom-poms, 2 small pom-poms, 2 googly eyes, and a crown and a glue stick. So to start, what we're gonna do is we are going to go ahead and color our dragon. So I want my dragon to be green, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my green crayon to color my dragon. Alright guys, now that I'm done coloring the body of my dragon, I'm going to go ahead and stick on the eyes of my dragon using the large pom-poms. So I'm going to be using glue dots, but if you guys have liquid glue at home, you can do that as well. Now that the bases of my eyes are on, I'm going to stick the googly eyes onto the large pom-poms. Now that my big pom-poms are on, I'm going to use the little pom-poms to make my nose. Okay, so I have my eyes on and my nose on the other end of the toilet paper roll. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to glue on the fire for the breath of my dragon. But what you want to do is you want to make sure that you only glue it on the top half of the circle closest to the nose. Alright guys, and now that we have our breath all in, you can go ahead and blow through the toilet paper tube to make your fire dragon breathe. Alright guys, and this is just one of many crafts that you can do here in our brand new makerspace, which is part of our new Objects of Enchantment exhibit. So make sure you come on out and see us so that you can do more fun crafts just like this. Bye guys!